Hey everyone, the Dreame Bot L10S Pro robot vacuum, which has rapidly become well-known due to its strong cleaning capabilities and intelligent features, is the subject of our closer examination today. With every new release, the Dreame brand is renowned for improving its products, and the L10S Pro is no exception. This robot vacuum cleaner is ideal for people who prefer a genuinely hands-off cleaning experience because of its strong motor, long battery life, and numerous intelligent functions. Included in the package is the Dreame Bot L10S Pro unit, 2 replaceable rubber brushes in addition to the main brush for collecting dust and pet hair, a cleaning instrument, 2 pads for mopping, water and dust tanks, and power cable and charging dock. The L10S Pro boasts a sleek, contemporary style and a robust, gray, minimalist plastic body. It is sturdy and steady due to its 4.2 kilos weight. In addition to an LED indicator that indicates the cleaning state and notifies you of any faults, the top interface has 3 buttons for spot cleaning, power on and off, and dock return. With its strong 5,300 pascal suction, the Dreame Bot L10S Pro can clean even carpets thoroughly. Suction is automatically adjusted for various surfaces. Sophisticated sensors, such as an LDS for accurate room mapping, edge detection, and a 3D obstacle sensor. Perfect for multi-story homes. Multi-floor mapping allows you to store maps of up to 3 stories. Its 450 milliliters dust bin for dry cleaning enables multiple cleaning cycles without the need to empty it. It has a 190 milliliters water tank for wet cleaning, and it can automatically avoid carpets to keep them dry. Additionally, the robot features a V-shaped rubberized brush that is specifically made to remove pet hair and difficult dirt from a variety of flooring, including thick carpets and hardwood floors. Large households would benefit greatly from the L10S Pro's remarkable runtime, which can cover up to 250 square meters and last up to 3.5 hours on a single charge. It can be ready to use overnight for a new start in the morning because charging takes about 6 hours. With rotating mopping pads that guarantee uniform moisture distribution and efficient stain removal, the L10S Pro's mopping capabilities are similarly remarkable. Through the app, you may select from 3 different water output levels to suit the type of flooring you have. Your air stays pure thanks to its HEPA and nylon filter technology, which captures allergens and tiny dust particles. You can modify the cleaning mode, set the cleaning schedule, and track the vacuum's progress with the Dreame Home app. To suit your demands, the app provides 4 cleaning modes: quiet, standard, intensive, and turbo. Additionally, you may schedule cleaning for when you're not home and establish do not disturb hours. For fast touch-ups, the local cleaning mode allows you to concentrate the vacuum's power on a single region. Additionally, there is a scheduled cleaning option that only activates the vacuum at times you choose. The Dreame Bot L10S Pro comes in a stylish, easy-to-use design with outstanding cleaning capabilities. It is perfect for busy homes that want a dependable, automated cleaning solution because of its powerful vacuuming, intelligent mopping, and pet hair cleaning technology. You should give the L10S Pro some thought if you're searching for a strong, versatile robot vacuum. Thanks for watching. I hope you have no questions left. Have a nice day, and God bless you.